Next is create reflection in visual effects. For doing that, you're going to the media and insert a video or image, anything that you want. For seeing the reflection, change the scale of your video, something like that, and bring it a little above. With arrow key in your keyboard, you can change the position of your video, and it creates a reflection. I think it's better to be small. It's create a reflection in here and simulate interesting visual effects. Going there and drag and drop it on a video. Boom. You can see this is your reflection. If you want to create such a visual effects, you can do that. And with the distance, you can change the distance of your reflection, but it's nice. Opacity of that, if you want to change the opacity of the reflection, but the numbers that it has is better. Like other visual effects, it has ease in and ease out, and you know what is this. You can see you can assign reflection to a specific part of your video, not all. And with ease and out, you can simulate smoothly in and smoothly out. So we can test it. I explained them before. And that's it. It's very easy.